Can I attend an open house without an agent in New York City? We'll demystify this topic in the following video. I'm Nick at Hauseit. Visit our website, hauseit.com, to save money when buying or selling real estate here in New York City. So let's get started. Attending an open house without an agent in New York City is generally not a problem as long as your buyer's agent registers you in advance with the listing agents. Ideally, once you've figured out which open houses you plan on attending, you should email the list of properties to your buyer's agent so that she or he can register you with the listing agents. But if you forget to do this or simply don't have time, all you need to do is sign in with the details of your buyer's agent at each open house you attend. Over 75% of buyers in New York City are represented by buyer's agents, so it comes as no surprise to these listing agents that most open house attendees have brokers. In fact, many buyers prefer to attend open houses on their own since there's less pressure. Now, if an open house is listed as by appointment only, you'll need your buyer's agent to schedule a viewing time directly with the listing agent. While some listing agents are okay with buyers being unaccompanied to a by appointment open house, other listing agents will insist that your buyer's agent be present. Can you go to an open house without a pre-approval letter? Yes. There is absolutely no requirement for you to be pre-approved in order to attend an open house or schedule a private showing in New York City for that matter. That being said, a listing agent may ask your buyer's agent for more insight into your finances, including the status of a pre-qualification or pre-approval letter prior to agreeing to show you the property. This is completely understandable, as a private showing is a major additional time commitment for a listing agent compared to a general open house where the listing agent will be there anyway. It's also a good idea to request a pre-approval letter as soon as you're serious about buying a home in New York City. The process of applying for a pre-approval letter will give you a clear picture about your finances and help you understand exactly how much home you can afford. Having a pre-approval letter ready to go will also ensure that you're prepared to mobilize quickly and submit an offer expeditiously if and when the right property comes to market. Certain listings in New York City sell literally in a matter of days, while it can take a week or more to obtain a pre-approval letter from a lender. So buyers who have their offer documentation prepared, including a pre-approval letter, have first mover advantage and generally have better odds of securing a property. So there you have it. We hope you found this video helpful. I'm Nick at Hauseit. Visit our website, hauseit.com, to learn about ways to save money and reduce your closing costs here in New York City. And if you like this video, do us a favor, hit like, subscribe, leave us a comment. We greatly appreciate it, and we hope to see you on the next one.